Investing in residential property is often what comes to mind when someone thinks about purchasing real estate. But there's a bigger, broader side to that market that may interest you. Hi, I'm Kimberly DeSocio with Galleria International Realty, your South Florida connection. You should also consider the positive aspects of owning commercial real estate buildings. Not only are the businesses growing and expanding, but more startups need a place to thrive, such as warehouses, office spaces, storefronts, and it could be your property that's a perfect fit for their company. I fell right into this scenario when I owned my own health club back in 2004. I found a space, I opened my business, and I was a tenant there for over 15 years, paying my rent to that new owner. Here's 5 benefits why you should think about owning commercial real estate. Number 1, division of loss. When owning a commercial complex building or a multi-business dwelling, your operating costs are covered even when there are vacancies in the property, and that can be a huge benefit when it comes to covering those monthly bills. When one company moves out, the other businesses are still contributing to the overall expenses you have on the building. Not only that, but the tenants are also responsible for the common area fees, taxes, and other building expenses. Number 2, income advantage. Over the past decade, the reported average yield on commercial real estate investments has been between 7% and 15%, much higher than stocks, bonds, and investments. Number 3, depreciation bonuses. There are a few simple benefits almost all commercial property owners benefit from, which are depreciation deductions and mortgage interest. These tax shields can provide income protection for a large portion of your profits. Number 4, long-term leases. Individual family dwellings often get leases that are only 12 months. With commercial buildings, you run long-term. Long-term leases are one of the biggest of all benefits in owning commercial real estate. Tenants want a secure address that they can market their business from, allowing you the security of a regular, protected income stream. Typically, we can see 5, 10, and 20-year leases. Number 5, intrinsic value. It doesn't matter so much on what the stock market does when your money is invested in commercial real estate. That's because unlike any other investment class, and is essentially a hard asset and its own intrinsic value. Here's what that means. The structure built on the property has value, but the land itself also has value, sometimes worth much more than the actual building that's sitting on it. Bottom line, there's a long-term security in land ownership property appreciation, and values increased in the past 30 years have also increased in the buildings. If you would like to explore owning commercial property, give me a call. I'd be happy to discuss all the different products that are available in today's market. I'm Kimberly DeSocio with Galleria International Realty, your South Florida connection to your next property.